Welcome back to my channel. Today let's do some gift tags that are quick and easy and they'll add a personal touch to your holiday season. I found a funnel in my kitchen that was the perfect size for the gift tags, but you can use anything circular that you have on hand. I used crimson red for the Santa suit, and in the middle where there's that fuzzy white part, I just did a little bit of dabbing along the edge to give it that texture. For the buckle I did use yellow ochre, but they do make a shimmery gold watercolor paint. I don't have any, but it would be a really good touch to this. Make sure each of your colors are dry before adding on to the next color. You don't want your black to bleed into your yellow or your red or anything like that. You can use a hairdryer to speed up this process, but if you don't want to, you can just let it air dry. But I am just using a plain ivory black for the belt of the Santa suit. On the snowman, it's super simple. All I did was I used crimson red for the hat, orange for the nose, and black for the eyes, the mouth, and the outline of the little fuzzy part on the hat. I did get my colors a little mixed up at the beginning of this one. I put green where the red was supposed to go. So when I went over it with red, it did look a little funny. But I used crimson red at the top, and then for this green part, I used perm green light with just a little bit of cap green to tone down that neon color. And then for the buckle, I did use yellow ochre again, but you could use gold. And for the belt, I used ivory black. On the body of the reindeer, I used burnt umber, and for that middle belly part, I mixed that color with a little bit of yellow ochre and then watered it down so that it would become like a really light color. And actually, I wasn't happy with how light it turned out, so I did mop it up a little bit after I was done. And on the bells, I used the yellow ochre and let that dry, and then went over the collar with a crimson red. And then once all that dried, I just used a black pen to make the little slits for the bells. Then the last step is to use a hole punch and just add a hole at the top of the tags. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you did, like it, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification when you do so you don't ever miss a tutorial from me.